Hi everyone! Pinay SKD here. Annyeong sayo. Today guys, we are going to make unboxing of this coffee press. By hand lang siya, walang electricity guys, kaya tipid ito. By the way, marami pong coffee press na makikita sa market, pero ito is worth 400 plus kasi glass at saka up to 2 cups yung magagawa mong coffee. Maraming pagpipilian sa mga market guys, pero ito ay glass, syempre sosyalen ang dating. At saka heat resistant. So ayan, gagawin natin, ilalagay lang natin yung coffee grounds, and then we're going to put on the hot water. At saka ito gagawin natin, ipipress lang natin. Katulad ng ganito, so presentation lang. So ganyan lang gagawin natin, and then wala, at meron na tayong coffee. So napakadali lang siya guys, at wala tayong gagamiting electricity. Yung pagpapakulo lang ng tubig ang magagawa natin. So, ayan na siya. Meron din mga plastic, but I don't like plastic. I like glass, sosyalen. O, ayan na, ready na ang coffee.